The prophet said, I've seen God, and he's a fire from the loins up, and he's a fire from the loins down. Well, it was one thing before Jesus went to the cross, shed his blood, defeated the darkness, defeated and abolished death and him that had the power of death. And on the day of Pentecost, oh, the fire came. The Spirit himself came. The glory came and sat on them. Just sat down on them. Didn't kill a one of them. Why? They'd been born again. He sat on them. He not only sat on them, he merged with them. He went into them, and they rose up. They couldn't stay in that little building, and the whole place began to shake, and they walked out in the street. Hallelujah. Hey, and it's about to happen again. Hey, and it's about to happen again.
I'm going to ask every person that just prayed that prayer, if you'll follow Minister Sharon. I've got a book that I was going to give you written by Brother Kenneth Copeland, and we've got our own book we're going to give you just to tell you about the decision you just made for Christ. Come on and put your hands together and let them know. I've got a book that I was going to give you written by Brother Kenneth Copeland.